So, hello po, good afternoon, good evening, good morning kung nasaan man kayo sa mundong ito, OFW. Naku po, bagong balita na naman. Kumusta po kayong lahat, by the way? Bagong balita sa kay Tatay Digong na wala daw, hindi daw nakarating sa ICC facility yung si Salvador Meldia na kasama niya sa trip. Ipag-pray po natin to dahil yung sabi niya, pakinggan po natin yung sinasabi niya dahil sana po nandyan lang sa hospital. So ito po ang mga pangyayari sa Netherlands ngayon.
Inside the facility, we are at a loss of this
Hello
time.
po, good afternoon, OFW, Good Vibes Studio. Nandito po tayo sa Ireland, nag-facilitate po, break ko po ngayon, lunch break. May bagong balita na wala si President Duterte sa Netherlands. Ito po yung si Meldia na
former president brought
kasama niya.
hospital because of his
Bakit?
bad medical conditions. It was almost a 24-hour flight. He just came from Hong Kong.
Oh my God.
His home, not even allowed to see a doctor in a hospital before he could be transported here. Now we made the request for a hospitalization, and they gave the assurance that he will be brought to hospital. And I asked for the name of the hospital. Up to now, they have not given us the name of the hospital. So we took the position that he could have been brought here directly. And we are told that there is
He's
no
in the ICC
President
facility.
Duterte inside the facility. We are at a loss at this time. And Lukuhan na to, I think this is part of their grand plan, no? To kidnap
Oh
the
my
president,
God.
to extract the president from the Philippines, and brought to a jet without known destination. I was even forced to join the plane without any valid visa coming here.
Sir, can we expound lang when you said that there is no President Duterte inside?
They're
Who said?
they're telling me that there is no Rodrigo R. Duterte inside this facility.
You,
But
re- you requested for a visit today and it was approved, sir, right?
We have requested the ICC for a visit because they do not disclose what hospital he was brought to, and we assume that he was brought here last night after the training. That's all I can say as of the moment.
Is it possible he is in a hospital somewhere?
I hope he's in a hospital somewhere, but not.
Oh my God. Bakit ginano nila? Bakit ganun?
In this facility.
He is allowed, according to ICC.
So this is only recent news, ha? This is only
None.
an hour ago. It could be 2 hours
We don't
ago.
know where he is right now.
Pero si BP Sara nandun ngayon, kaninang umaga. Dumating sila sa Amsterdam.
Siya sa ambulance, binigay lang namin yung mga records sa kanya. And sabi, he will be well taken care of.
Right.
And we will be informed immediately of the name of the hospital. But hanggang ngayon, nakakalungkot at ganito ginagawa nila.
So, Sec, what's the next step? What are the plans?
We are going back to the ICC and ask them where he is right now.
So we hope
Because the family members,
The
a family member is waiting here to see him.
Yes. Well, how is,
Member is waiting here to see him.
yes. Well, how is the Vice President?
Well, she's waiting.
Okay.
And I would assume the president would want to see one of the members of this family
Yes.
at this
So,
point.
Sec, the Vice President wants to see him. Is there a schedule for her visit now?
That's what we are arranging, but we're at a loss where he is right now.
Okay. So, how about you, sir? Alis muna pa ba kayo?
Alis ako dito. Hindi, pinapalabas nga kami.
Oh. Oh my God.
Anong gusto nilang gawin? Standby ako dito. Ang lamig-lamig.
Ano po yung response nila sa inyo nung nag-request po kayo for a visit?
Wala. Ayan. Wala daw, request for a visit dito. Wala daw, ano dito. Walang preso by the name of President
Alright.
Rodrigo.
Hindi yan totoo kasi nandun.
Okay, sir. Mamaya na pa. Pero sir, the embassy said that you're allowed a visit. Ano kayang pinagmumulan nun?
Hindi. Ano yan? Right ng accused yan.
Opo.
To be, by counsel.
May schedule sila Thursday, so parang definite.
I don't know with them. But
Or it's,
ako, as far as my understanding of the law is, he has the right to counsel at
Okay.
any time.
and you're acting as an official.
One of the counsel, and they don't even recognize my appearance here.
Okay.
Nasa na po si VP Sara?
I don't know where she is right now.
Hindi po kayo nakita?
Nag-usap lang kami sa telepono, pero wala pang until So,
Alright.
tapos na.
Okay.
I have another-
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Hi, Shek. Ano pong nangyari kaya? Zen Hernandez po, ABS-CBN. Can you tell us what happened lang po?
Alam mo, when
Step is of course.
before we deplaned, we had a meeting with the ICC. I requested that the former president be brought directly to a hospital because of his bad medical conditions. It was almost a 24-hour flight. He just came from Hong Kong, not allowed to visit his home, not even allowed to see a doctor in a hospital before he could be transported here. Now, we made the request for a hospitalization.
Sir Ali.
Former Director General
Ayun po ang latest na pangyayari. We just pray na nasa hospital lang si Tatay Digong. We just pray. We just pray the family kasi yung may na panood pa akong video na parang hinaharas na ang pamilya ni Tatay Digong sa Davao. Parang pinoprotektahan ng mga kapitbahay nila dahil nandoon si Ma'am Hanilet at saka yung anak niyang dalaga. Yun ang latest sa Davao. Wow. Hallelujah. So, yun lang po. Talagang i-share po natin yung mga video para matulungan natin yun. Ito lang po maitulong natin sa mga OFW, sa mga OFW dyan sa Netherlands. Yes, sana po ng update sa mga pangyayari dyan. Sana mayroong mag-live video para marinig naman tayo sa buong mundo, lalo na sa Pilipinas. Yes, ito ipaglaban natin ang ating bansa sa mga masasamang taong sa mga hindi nagmamahal sa ating bansa. Salamat po at yes, patuloy po tayong magmatsyag, magdasal at i-share po natin ang mga video. Suportahan po natin yung mga video na naggagawa ng pag-support kay Tatay Digong. Salamat po. Tayong mga Pilipino na sa labas na ating bansa, kahit nasa ating bansa, napaka-stress yung mga Pilipinong nagmamahal sa ating dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Salamat po. God bless. Bye.